So yun na, Pinoy Transporter. Whispering Hope. Yung Whispering Hope na Christmas song, di mo alam? Ano ka ba? Para ka namang di Pilipina.
Galing mo magsalita.
It's a prank. Pilipina. Participating.
Ano nga yung artista eh.
Sinong artista?
Sa TV.
Galing ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's
Actually, I'm a blogger, Chinese blogger.
Really?
Well, trying to join the group, the bandwagon, okay? So that, you know, your trip
You
becomes...
learn more Tagalog.
Oh, teach
That's
me.
why you're
Oh,
here in Philippines.
oh, you teach me some
Okay.
Tagalog, okay?
You know English. It's very difficult to speak English.
I'm having hard time to speak Tagalog.
Oh, you try.
Oh, you help me, okay? What's Tagalog? Can you teach me?
Okay. Magkano? How much?
Magkano?
Oo.
Magkano?
How much?
Oh, how much? Okay, ha? Magkano? How
Anong
much?
pangalan mo? What is your name?
Me, Mr. Lu. They call me Mr. Lu.
You're from Macau.
Gao Lu. My first name is Gao. My first name, other name is. They call me Mr. Gao Lu.
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
Gaulo. You know Gaulo?
What's-
You know Lugaw?
What's Lugao?
Konji. Yeah, in Filipino. Ano? That is the the konji. It's lugaw in Tagalog.
Lugao. So I'm Lugao.
Food, lugaw, konji.
I'm not Lugao. I'm Gao Lu.
Gaulo,
Yeah.
yes.
I'm Gao Lu, not Lugao, huh? Also, I'm a food here in
You're a
the Philippines.
vlogger?
Well, trying to just to, you know, share things like that so that, you know, my trip will not be boring, you know. So that, besides trying to record the teaching my passengers are telling me so I can review it, okay?
Okay, okay.
So that's why helping me speak Tagalog. When I review it, I'll learn, oh, like what you said,
learn
it's,
more Tagalog.
yeah, magkano is how much, okay? What's your name?
Anong pangalan?
Ano pangalan mo? How about you? What's your name?
Tanong, you ask me.
Ah,
Anong pangalan mo?
ano pangalan mo?
Anong?
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 Anong
Anong
pangalan mo?
pangalan mo?
I will answer it ang pangalan ko ay Roma.
Pangalan Roma. Okay ha. So,
Okay.
nice meeting you ha, Roma.
Nice meeting you.
Okay ha. Oh, I have a new Filipina friend here ha. How old are you?
Ilang taon ka na?
That's
I say it. Ilang taon
that's
ka
the
na?
translation.
You ask me. Yes.
Ilan taon ka na? Oh,
I
ulit.
answer it. 49.
Oh, 49.
Yes.
Oh, you don't look like 49. Now you just look like 48.
1 year.
Well, all my
Only one.
passengers here in the cab, every time you ride with me, there's always 1 year reduction. So you become younger 1 year older inside my cup. Oh,
You're a comedian.
what comedian, huh?
Jolly person.
Oh, okay. I'm not jolly. I want McDonald's, you know. You know.
Talaga?
Yeah, I love McDonald's, not Jolly. Jolly is B, you know. See?
Oh, you learn more Tagalog.
Okay,
You ask me.
ano pangalan mo? Okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to...
I thought you'll translate that to Tagalog. You said.
Oo nga pala.
Okay, where are you going? What's the Tagalog of where you're going?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan
Saan ka pupunta?
saan ka pupunta? Okay. Saan ka pupunta?
Volvo.
Okay, Volvo. Oh, you asked me where I'm going.
Saan ka pupunta?
To the moon. Okay, that's a common joke to me by some of my Filipino friends because I think there's a song, huh? Saan ka
You stay
pupunta?
here for how many years?
I just been here for 3 years.
He doesn't know how to speak Tagalog.
Salamat po.
Just a little.
Very little because most of the time I speak English because I know Filipino are very good in English, huh? It's only you, a passenger, is telling me to keep on talking Tagalog Because most of my passengers, they're speaking English when they talk with me.
They are very good in English.
Even construction worker, they speak English
I'm
with
not
me.
very good in English. I'm jologs in English.
What's jokes?
Trying hard.
Oh, trying hard.
Yes.
Trying hard, copycat, right? Huh? What's your work if you want mine?
Secret.
You're a secret agent of the government? Huh? You're working with the government? That's why you're a secret agent?
You speak Tagalog. It's very difficult to talk to you in English way.
Why? Your English is good. You're so articulate, huh?
Yeah.
That's why.
My English is good, but I need cash.
Oh, me also. Me also. I've heard that, huh? Your English is good, but I need cash, okay, huh? I love talking to you. You're so very, what's that? Jolly, huh? You're jolly. Yeah. You're jolly. I'm McDonald's, okay? That's why when we combine together, let's make click, okay? We're not competing. We're helping, huh?
Ganon.
Yeah, that's why you see for every Jollibee outlet there's McDonald's
Okay.
because they're complementing to each other, huh?
You're here for 3 years. He doesn't know how to speak Tagalog.
Just konti lang.
Until lang you try and speak more Tagalog.
Because when I'm with my
You learn.
when I
More
at
Tagalog.
home at Binondo, most of my colleagues there are Chinese, so we speak Chinese, you know. But when here outside, yeah, most of my passengers when I speak in English, they told them I'm Chinese. They don't speak Tagalog with me. It's only you first time, huh?
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I told you Filipino are very articulate, huh? Okay, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, huh? Check it out so that you do have an idea who's the one driving you right now.
Okay.
Oh, you're already in YouTube?
Just wait.
Wait,
Dali lang.
okay, wait, because I love to sing, huh? I love the Christmas song, Wait. Do you know the Christmas song, Wait? How that Christmas song, Wait?
I don't know the title.
Oh, you sing it? Can you sing it for me? Oh,
What is the title? Anong title?
I told you the title is Wait.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you sing it nga?
Wait till the darkness is over. Wait till the tempest is gone. Oh, see, the title is sweet, right? Hope for a sunshine tomorrow. I told you I'm not jolly, I'm McDonald's. Isn't it? What's the title of the song? Is it the title is sweet?
I don't know. I have no idea.
You don't know the song?
Yes.
I'll repeat it. Wait till
Wait. The
wait.
title is Wait.
Yeah, wait till the darkness is
Sino man mo? Who is the
over.
artist?
I don't know.
Singer.
That's a famous Christmas song, huh?
I
Wait
have no idea.
till the tempest is gone. Hope for the sunshine tomorrow. After the shower is gone. We's
very
faring
good singer,
home. Oh, how well can thy boy.
Look like a...
BBM.
No.
Yes, that's it. I look like a
Yung
president.
yung artista.
What?
Si ano.
Oh, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Forget about Artista. Oh, you subscribe to my YouTube.
Ikaw yata yun eh.
What?
Yung artista sa TV.
I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Oh, really? I wish I can be an artist in the Philippines.
Sino nga ba yun? Nakalimutan.
Oh, what? You Sir Chip. Richard Yap. Sir Chip.
Ball
Please subscribe already. Come on, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Where's your cell phone? So that we can get in touch together. Very happy to talk to you. Huh?
Oh?
Yeah, I love talking to you. Huh? Come on, check it out.
Ano pong ano niya?
Pinoy Transporter Manolito.
Pinoy?
Transporter.
Dito na po tayo.
MG Motors to eh. Ayun.
Ayun ang bulbo dito
Okay,
lang.
sige, sige,
Lalakarin
sige.
ko na.
Tapusin na natin muna yung transaction natin, okay? So, yun na, Pinoy Transporter. Whispering Hope. Yung Whispering Hope na Christmas song, di mo alam? Ano ka ba? Para ka namang di Pilipina.
Galing mo magsalita. Oh.
It's a prank. Pilipina. Thank you so much for participating.
Parang ito nga yung artista eh.
Sinong artista?
Sa TV.
Sino?
Hindi ko maalala.
Si Mr. Shuli.
Oo. Ikaw.
Mongolian Barbecue.
Oo.
Matanda na yun, iba tao. Kamukha, what they're saying, I look like your president, ha?
Hindi.
Oh, look at my videos there. Okay lang, upload ko to, ha? Para
Oy, ganun?
Mapapanood mo yan, no?
Talaga, truthless.
Oo naman, marami akong Chinese prank yan, no?
Ha?
Marami akong Chinese prank na video. Okay?
Basta ba ito?
Oo, di ba? Pakishare na lang kay tatay, nanay, kuya, ate at sa bunsong kapatid.
Ayan, follow na kita.
Kung si Bantay ay may cellphone, pakishare na rin. Dahil may mga vlog ako na hayop pang usapan.
Ang dami mong alam.
Marami kaming fans. Pagkat pogi kami, walang tatalo sa 3D electric fan. So kung gusto mo maging masaya ang
Wala
biyahe
yun.
mo, sumakay ka sa taxi ko.
Macau ka nga? Hindi.
Ang kulit eh. Sabi nga Pilipino, di ba? Prank nga yun, prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Nice meeting you, Roma.